Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I attempt to flat iron my type 4 hair. Remember to turn on your post notification for when I post a new video, and stay tuned to see how I do it. So first, I'm just grabbing my deep conditioner, my water, and a brush. This is a tingle teaser that I got from Ross. And all my hair is sectioned out, and I'm just taking them slowly out the sections. And I'm just applying that deep conditioner all over my hair, coating where it needs to go. So the reason I did sections was to keep the formality of my hair, because it gets a little bit wild and highly difficult to do because of the hair being everywhere. So I feel like me keeping it in these like little twists is a good way for me to stay on track of where the hair needs to go. Now I'm just going to show you guys how I'm slathering that all on each section, and I'm just applying water everywhere it needs to go. I like to deep condition my hair right before I do anything like a heat style, because I want my hair to be extremely moisturized and getting all the benefits that it needs to get before I start applying so much heat. So guys, I never really done my own hair when it comes to flat ironing, but this is my first time doing it. So I like the end result. I could have did better if I didn't suck at blow drying, but I did my best. As you can see, I put in the title type 4 hair is because I'm not exactly sure what texture my hair is. I think it's about 4B, 4C. Some textures are a little bit looser and some parts are extremely coilier. So it's about curly and coily, I would say. It's really hard to do my hair on my own. But yeah, I'm just trying here. This is me pulling my hair to see how long the stretch is. It's about medium long length. I would say more medium, almost long. And yeah, you can see how stretchy my hair is. I do believe that I'm like a 4C texture, because my texture is a little bit rough, and it also has a lot of shrinkage. And I also have high porosity hair, so you'll see that the moisture doesn't really get in until after a while, so it sticks on top of my hair, and that's a sign of low porosity hair. And also my hair remains wet. It doesn't soak up the moisture that quickly, but it also dries very quickly. So yeah, I do believe that I have 4C low porosity hair, I meant. But yeah, this is me just twisting it up, and this is me on the other side. I'm pretty much done. I got one more section to do, and I'm just applying this deep conditioner on the last section, applying that water, and I'm just wrapping that back up. That cream is the bomb, guys. I feel like that cream helped me in my journey, especially when I first cut my hair 3 years ago, really short. It really helped my hair to grow and be healthy and moisturized. So yeah, I would recommend the Shea Moisture Manuka honey oil product deep conditioner mask. That thing works wonders for the hair. And yeah, and this tangle teaser I got it from Ross. Really easy, just to detangle it. You can see how much shrinkage I have. I have a lot of shrinkage. My hair shrinks up a lot. Once I'm done, I just split those two and twist it back up, and I begin to put my hair in a ponytail, and I get my dryer comb attachment so I can start drying my hair with this attachment here. And now I'm all done. So now you see me just applying that Pantene spray and the Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum. I'm using that to help flat iron my hair, get it more smoother. Hopefully it makes them more smoother. I like this brand. So now you see me here stretching just to see if I had grown any hair. I suck at blow drying, so that's exactly why I'm just applying the heat and kind of stretching it. I'm just doing like a stretch motion because I don't know how to blow dry, guys. I think that's why it's not as, straight as I would like it. I am gonna try again with cheese silk infusion to see how much more straight I can get it. But yeah, you'll just see me here straighten it. I do like the end result of this. It was just, I was hoping for more straight, but at the end of the day, my hair is thick and I do like the thicker look, and plus the heat was not that high. So yeah, I just used like a little bit of heat. I am using low heat for the blow dryer as well because I don't want to damage my hair at all. But you see me, I'm just like putting that away so I can have space. It was a struggle, y'all. It was such a struggle to do this. Like, I was crying for help. I literally had to ask my husband for help. I'm like, please help me. And he don't know how to do my hair, but he was trying. I was like, please, somebody brush my hair because it's just too much for me. And I'm probably never going to do this again. But I had fun kind of doing it. But it was so hard because my nail was broken and I had to work with a broken nail throughout this whole thing. So it was really hard for me to get like as good as I wanted to get. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I'm just gonna have to blow dry this whole thing. And I wasn't that concerned about blow drying, but y'all, it started taking me all day to do this. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is taking all day. I was getting really frustrated. I was like, I didn't even get as much as I could. I can't see from the back. And I really wanted to really get it untangled. I thought that me using a tangle teaser would really, get those knots out. But it didn't. It did not get the knots out at all. But now I'm just adding more Pantene just in case, I get any heat anywhere else. Because I'm really scared to damage my hair. I ain't worked these 3 years just to have my hair fall off. And I was so scared to do this. But yeah, now you'll see I'm just like, you guys can kind of tell me what texture you guys think I am. I really don't know my texture. I think it's a 4C. I believe so. Because that was like the thickest texture. And I'm like, yep, that's me. But yeah, you see me, if you see my face when I'm like struggling, I'm struggling. Because this was hard. My hair was not trying to cooperate. So I'm just talking with my husband there. He like came in the house and he didn't even tell me he was home. He just came in and tried to scare me. So yeah, I'm over here like, I don't even remember what I was talking about. But yeah, he was just watching me like try to do this. He helped me towards the end. This thing took me forever. It took me all day, so that's why I'm like, I'll never do this again. You guys can see the comparison of how it looks shrunk versus stretched. And yeah, this is me on the last section. The end result was a little bit like, I was like, what the heck is going on here? I like, this is not as straight as it could, because sometimes you could do the blow dry and it'll be just as straight with just blow drying. So I'm like, I know I messed up because the ends look all like that, and why the ends look like this, and why it's so frizzy here. But now you see that I'm about to do the flat iron. I'm scared. All that smoke. Oh, it's straight though. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction. But you see the length, it's like the length check. It's on my back, as you can see. But yeah, y'all, I was so scared. The noise, the smoke, oh my God, I was like literally choking on the smoke. And then you'll see here, I had to rewash my hair because I had got conditioner that I'm so stupid. I didn't realize it. That I had leftover conditioner in my hair that y'all can probably see right now. But I had forgot to clean it out. So I'm over here struggling. So I had to rewash my hair after this clip. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys what I was doing. I'm like, what am I doing wrong? It's still frizzy at the roots. And I'm like too scared to get up there. But I had the flat iron at about 200 something, because this 200 something degrees, because it only goes up to 200 something degrees. I don't know. The flat iron was free. Somebody gave it to me. But yeah, I'm over here using it, and that's the only flat iron I had. So I just had to use what I had. I just decided to try this and experiment. Some people don't trust other people with my hair. I don't either, but like I'd rather trust somebody else to do my hair, because I don't even trust myself to do my hair, because look at my hair. It looks like I'm wearing an afro when I really blow dried it. But yeah, that's you could just tell that I just don't know what I'm doing. But I did my best. I was trying to get the ends as straight as I possibly could. In my eyes, it looked like super straight, but then when you get to the end, it wasn't that straight. I should have switched from the Tangle Teaser. But yeah, this is me halfway done. You guys can definitely see the shrinkage. Hey guys, I'm so happy that I'm done. I did not get this as straight as I wanted to, but you don't have to do. I'm probably gonna curl it or something, do like a transformation. I'm gonna work on it, but this is as good as I could get for right now. It's like I said, it's my first time doing it on my own, and it's not as straight as I wanted it to be. But you gotta remember, I am natural, and I did not use no silk, nothing. I just used what I had. So yeah, I like the end result. As you can see, my hair is thick. It does look like it grew a little bit, but like the front looks like it grew like more, like evenly with the back. But yeah, tell me guys what you think of this style. I don't know, like I'm gonna try to do like some styles with this and see what I could come up with. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a lovely day. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like while you're here.